If you're eager to dive deeper into the bay leaf burning ritual to manifest your wishes, dreams, and desires, this video is just what you need. The process is incredibly simple yet extremely effective. Take a bay leaf, also known as tejpada or laurel leaf, which is commonly used in Indian and Caribbean cooking. On this leaf, you write down your wish, your intention, your heart's desire. Then take a ceramic plate or heat-proof bowl, hold the leaf over it using a candle and burn the leaf carefully. Once it's completely burned, the ashes collect safely in the bowl beneath. And after that, you simply take the ashes and blow them outside. That's it. It's a quick ritual, but the results are profound. Speaking from personal experience, especially with my business, the outcome has been amazing. Whenever I do this ritual, I attract more clients and better opportunities on that very day. In fact, I even experimented by doing it on alternate days. And guess what? On the days I burned a bay leaf, my income consistently increased. So now, I've made it a daily practice. There are certain questions which I'm answering associated to this ritual. First question, how often should you do this? I usually do it once a day. That's enough. Choose a time that suits you and just do it once every day with full intention. Second, for how long should you continue this practice? From my own journey, I've seen the best results when I do it consistently for at least 7 days, especially when I have a clear goal. Of course, the more aligned and focused you are, the better it works. If you're manifesting something general like joy or abundance, feel free to do it daily or even on alternate days. Third, do you burn one leaf or several? One single bay leaf is enough. It holds a lot of power. There's no need to burn a whole bunch. Fourth, why only bay leaves? Great question. In Indian tradition, bay leaves are sacred to goddess Lakshmi, the deity of wealth and prosperity. That's why it's used to invoke abundance. Even in Greek and Roman traditions, bay leaves are associated with magic and divine energy. Wiccans and spiritual practitioners also use them for rituals. So across cultures, bay leaves have always symbolized power, purity, and transformation. Fifth, what about science? Is there any logic behind this? Yes. Burning bay leaves releases compounds that calm your nervous system, reduce anxiety, and uplift your energy. When you're calm, your vibration rises, and manifestation becomes effortless. You think better, feel lighter, and attract what you desire faster. It's also good for your lungs and circulatory health. The smoke has healing properties. So there's a spiritual and scientific reason behind this. Next, can you manifest multiple desires at once? I always suggest focusing on one goal at a time. When your energy is scattered, manifestation slows down. One leaf, one desire, one intention. That keeps your focus sharp and energy potent. Now, the most common question, what should you write on the leaf? It depends on your true goal. Instead of writing, I want $5,000, write the feeling or outcome, like, thank you, universe, for the abundance that helps me pay off my loan. Or thank you for the wealth that allowed me to buy my dream home. Don't fixate on one person, job, or outcome. Focus on the experience you want. Write it in the present tense like it's already done. That's the secret. For love, don't write a person's name. Instead, say, thank you, universe, for the loving, supportive relationship I now enjoy. Let go of the how. Trust the universe to bring you what's aligned. How do you make it come true faster? Here's the big secret, intention. Don't just go through the motions. Feel it. Be grateful. Be present. Be aligned. If you believe deeply that it's already yours, the universe moves mountains. What do you do with the ashes? You can simply go outside and blow them into the wind with a thank you. Or you can sprinkle them in a plant or mix with water and pour it into soil. All options are energetically powerful. Should you use fresh or dry bay leaves? Either works. I personally use dried cooking bay leaves. They're perfect. What if the leaf is broken or torn? No problem at all. It's the energy and intention that matters, not the shape of the leaf. What time of day is best? Morning works for me, but honestly, like any time is fine. Just do it when you feel focused and peaceful. I hope this clears all your doubts. Remember, this is a simple yet magical ritual. If done with clarity, faith, and gratitude, it truly works. If you're excited to try this, drop a comment below saying, "Yes, I'm ready." And let me know what you're manifesting. I love reading your intentions. If you've had success with this ritual, please share your story below. Your words could inspire someone else who needs that hope today. Let's support each other as a manifestation family. And of course, if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, watch my saltwater rituals video. I'll see you in another powerful video soon. Until then, keep believing, keep manifesting, and stay aligned.